Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a one-bedroom apartment at Townsend Hill Apartments. You've got your off-street parking here, gorgeous redone building. It's got your appliances included. Let's go inside and take a look. Today we're at Unit 14, the one-bedroom. Very, very spacious as you can see. Let's start by looking at the bedroom first. So here we are in the one bedroom. You've got your two windows for some extra sunlight, plenty of space for your bed, your bureau, your nightstand, and you've got the nice closet for all of your belongings. Let's go take a look at the living room. So here we are in the living room. Very spacious, great sunlight from the windows. You've got your second means of egress right here. And now I'm going to show you the kitchen. So here we are in the kitchen. You've got your little pantry closet for all your little canned goods. You've got plenty of cabinet space. The cherry wood, beautiful countertops, the double sinks. You've got your stove and your refrigerator that are matching. And lastly, we are in the bathroom. You've got your vanity. You've got some cabinets right here. You've got the toilet. And you've got this beautiful shower with the tub. So if you're interested in this one bedroom located at 2448 South Main Street on the first floor, go to rentinfallriver.com and schedule your showing today, and I'll meet you here.